की जो कथा जो है अपने जड़ीय कंसेप्शन के द्वारा आप आगे नहीं जड़ी विचार के द्वारा न बुद्ध न टीका अथवा अपने टीका टिप्पणी शास्त्र अध्ययन के द्वारा उसे स्थापित नहीं कर सकते। यही तो बोलते जा रहे हैं, न बुद्ध न टीका भक्ता भगवतम गाय, भक्ति के द्वारा भक्त ही उसको अनुभव कर सकते।
So by the performing bhakti, bhakt can realize that's all things. So here we are describing about bhakti, so means the ashray jati. So that's why Brajendra Shyam Sundar, so he has getting the bhav and kanti of Radhaji and he appeared and descended in this world. Shrimati Radhika is Ashray Vigrah, Krishna is the Vishya Vigrah. So relishing the bhav madhurya or ashray vastu, so he has taken two kinds of things, complexion and bhav from Radhika Radhika. So it is by stealing or asking. So whatever kind of that, no problem.
मांग करके ले, कुछ भी करके ले, उसके विचार हम बाद में करेंगे। ये दो वस्तु के राधिका भाव और इसलिए राधिका और भाव कांति चोरी करी कृष्ण अवतीर्ण भइल गौर रूप धरि। महाप्रभु की गौर रूप धारण करने की यही तात्पर्य दिखाया है। क्या नहीं उसमें आवाज आएगी ना इंग्लिश। गौर रूप धारण करने के यही आ रहे हैं। कृष्ण अपने को विचार करके देखा।
So Krishna was thinking himself that I am the Vishya Vigraha, object of the divine love, and Shrimati Radhika is the shelter of the divine love. So relishing the bhav madhurya of Ashraya Vigraha, he has taken two things.
इसलिए इसको ये दिखाते जा रहे हैं। साधारणीकरण जो हम जो करते जा रहे हैं उसी प्रकार जो है साधक भजन करते करते प्राचीन भक्त की भाव माधुर्य आदि देख करते।
So in this way performing the bhav madhurya of the previous bhakta.
ग्रहण करते अनुगत्यम।
So under the shelter of them,
आधुनिक जो साधक जो है,
so the adhunik sadhak, they can make a progress in bhakti. So that's why in the Kavya Shastra or Navatya Shastra it is showed like that. So I told you the katha. So the Raman
की जो प्रवक्ता इतने सुंदर रूप में दशरथ महाराज की कथा को प्रस्तुत किया। ये कैसे दशरथ महाराज हराम हराम करते
said, I told you about the story of Ramayana, that how Dasharath Maharaj has given up their body saying haram, haram, haram. So hearing that katha, so all the listeners, so in the listener, amongst the listener, there was one listener who was thinking that it is not Raja Dashrath feeling, it is, he was thinking I am the Raja Dashrath, and he has given up his body there, saying like haram, haram. This is called the Sadharanikaran. So thinking this bhav that it is not them, it is mine, not tamiti mamiti. And he has presented this thing in another way, in a bhakti. Once in a Ramayana Katha, so one person was describing the character of Hanuman there, and how Hanuman was taking the name of Hanuman, uttering the name of Hanuman, he has crossed the ocean of the, and he said Jai Shri Ram, and crossed the ocean when he described this Katha. So in that sabha, in that assembly, there was a peace lover person was staying at that place too, and he was saying Jai Shri Ram, and he also jumped there. So this is called Sadharanikaran.
वक्ता कथा बोलने के साथ ही साथ
when the speaker
निकट
speaks
में
the
सामने
katha,
बैठने वाले
so the
श्रोता
listeners
की
who is standing before
अंतःकरण के
him,
कितने परिमाण स्पर्श करता है
so how he touched the heart of
वो
the
विचार करता
listener, so it is also
है।
matters.
और वही श्रोता
And the same listeners,
उसी कथा को क्या करते हैं अपना ही ले
so they
लेते हैं।
thinks that this
क्योंकि
katha is
मैंने
related to
पहले
me.
कहा
So I told you,
नाट्य शास्त्र के
in the
वही
Natya
सब
Shastra,
होता
according to
है
the Natya Shastra, there is a director.
ये न तो तमेति
It's
ममेति,
not Tameti, it's
और ये
Mameti.
तुम्हारा नहीं
It's
है,
not yours, it's mine.
ये तुम्हारा दुख नहीं है,
This
ये
is
दुख
not your
क्या
sorrow,
दुख
this is
क्या
not
है
your pain, it's my
मेरा
pain.
दुख है। ऐसे। और तब
And
उनके
then
हृदय क्या होता है
their heart
द्रवीभूत होता है
melted.
और हृदय व चित्त द्रवीभूत होने से
So when the
आंखों
heart
से
is
आंसू की
melted, so
धारा
they,
प्रवाहित होता है
so tears
अथवा
flows from their eyes,
अष्टसात्विक विकार
and they get
है
so many
करता है।
Ashtasattvik cards.
तो उसी के यहाँ पर भी कह
So
रहे
here it
हैं
is saying like,
ये कृष्ण मिलन की उत्कंठा से
so getting the eagerness of Krishna
गोपियां
with separation,
बेचैन हो जाती
so
है
Gopiya feels so
और
much separation
अपने
and they
भाव
are
को
disturbed,
गोपन
and
करने के लिए
when describing
निष्ठा
their
तो करती
bhav,
है
they
किंतु
feels they,
संभव नहीं
they have so
सफल नहीं
much faith, but they are not able to describe that.
गोपियां क्या करती है
What Gopiya does,
अपने भावों के गोपन करना चाहती है
they would like to
किंतु वो गोपन
hidden,
कर नहीं पाती
Gopan means chupana.
छुपाना
Okay, they would like to hide their feelings,
they want to hide their bhav mood but not possible
but it's not possible for them.
just give a Narottam Das Thakur
Narottam or Vidyapati Chandidas is very nicely described in a payar, Mangala payar.
कृष्ण जब सखाओं के साथ
When Krishna was going for the cow grazing with their friends,
गोपियां गोविंद की दर्शन करके
for
भाव में विह्वल हो जाती
taking a darshan of Govind, Gopiya gets so much completely bewilderment in the mood of,
और उनकी क्या होता है आंखों की आंसू की धारा
and what happens after that, the
क्योंकि
tears
गोविंद के और
from the
दर्शन
eyes come so heavily.
समझ गए गोविंद के और दर्शन जनित उनके हृदय क्या होता है
When they cannot see the Govind, then when they cannot take the darshan of Govind, their heart goes melted that time. It is spontaneous.
जिससे कहता है नैना
Just like it is said,
बदनम गदगद रुद्ध गिरा पुलार को निजितम बबू कदा तव नाम ग्रहण भविष्यति
in the Shishtastak Mahaprabhu is saying like,
आपके नाम रूप
so when that day will come, that I will chant your holy name and the tears will come out from my eyes.
बदनम गदगद रुद्ध गिरा
The goosebumps will be, the hair will be stand of my body.
कंठ जय कप
When my throat will be choked,
taking the
name of yours.
ऐसे दशा को
So when I get this kind of stages,
कदा नाम ग्रहण भविष्यति और मेरे हृदय में पुलकित कब होगा आनंद में हृदय पुलकित होगा जिसके
when the pleasure will be manifest in my heart, that my heart, all the hair of my body will stand. That is called goosebumps. So this is the symptoms of Ashtasattva Vikar. When Gopiya was thinking about of Krishna, when they take darshan while the cow Govind is going for the cow grazing, so what kinds of feelings they have in their heart. So our Acharya Path is describing that means just like suppose Radha ji, she is thinking this kinds of mode and the tears is coming out from her eyes. At the time Jatila and Kutila came. Jatila Kutila and saying, hey, why are you crying? Why are you crying? So at that time, Shrimati Radhika, she would like to hide their feelings. What she says, from the left hand, she put some water into the fire. So when she put some water in the fire, so there is smoke comes out from the fire. Just like that, Radhaji is making preparation food stuff. So at the time she is remembering the pastime of Krishna.
साक्षात दर्शन
So,
अथवा उनके दिव्य अपराजित नेत्र में दर्शन जो
so she is there getting the
उस दर्शन को
transcendental
देख
darshan
करके
of Krishna
राधा जी
in her
हृदय
eyes.
को धन्य हो
So, getting the darshan, Radha's heart got melted, but the Jatila Kundala
जटिल
cannot
कुंडला
understand that.
कहती
So, she is saying that why are you crying? What is the
तो राधा
reason?
जी अपने भाव को
So,
गोपन
Radhaji
करने
would
के लिए
like to
क्या
hide their
करें
feelings.
ये देखो ये जो
So, what
लकड़ी
she
है गीला
said,
है
this wood is wet.
लकड़ी है इसलिए
So
इससे
that's why
ज्यादा
the
धुआं आ रही
so that's why smoke is coming too
इससे
much
धुआं
from
हमारे
this
आंख
wood.
में लगते
So when this
इसलिए
smoke
आंखों
is
से
touching
आंसू
my eyes, that's why I'm crying. So that's why tears is coming out from my eyes.
इसे कहा जाता है
So this is called
अविहिता भाव भाव
avihitta
गोपन
bhav, avitta bhav or
है
bhav gopan,
हाय
to hiding the
भाव
feelings.
अविहिता भाव
Avitta bhav.
है वासुकी मने पड़े केस एलाइते है ये कृष्ण तुम्हें
Hey
कीर्तन
Krishna,
करने के साथ ही साथ
when I remember about you,
बालों की जब हम
so
संभालते हैं
when we comb our hair,
घुंघराली वाली सुंदर काली
so
बाल की जब
so when we comb our beautiful curly hair,
है उस बाल को देख करके
so
कृष्ण से
seeing
सुनने
that
की आदत
Krishna, we remember Krishna.
ये दुआ दुआ सखी मन पड़े बात कहें केस एलाई थे केस माने बाल है घुंघराली वाली
Kesh means hair, the curling hair, beautiful curling hair. We remember the beautiful Krishna's hair, and seeing that and doing that, so they remember the pastime of Krishna. And at that time, their heart got so much melted.
इस भावों के छुपाने के लिए
So for hiding these kinds of feelings, gopis
ये सब करती
does all these things.
क्या करती
What
है
what they do?
लकड़ी में
They put some water into the firing in the fire there, and when the water goes into the when the water goes into the fire, so smoke comes out. So they think that we are not crying, we are getting this smoke, so that's why it's touching our eyes. Gili hai. This wood is wet, that's why it's smoke is coming out from it, so it is touching our eyes and we are crying. So in this way gopis, so they are describing, they are hiding their feelings. This is called avitta bhav or gopan bhav. And what sadhak does, so when they adjust themselves or they added themselves in that kinds of feeling, साधारणीकरण, that is called
इस
साधारणीकरण.
अवस्था में साधक गोपियों की भावों का साधारणीकरण करता है अपने को एक किशोरी समझकर.
So thinking that themselves that I am a Kishori and I am taking the shelter of the Nitya Gopis, and observe themselves into that bhav and behave like that.
उसी भावों के
So when seva happens or does,
तन्मयता हो
when you observe your mind in that kinds of mode, then you are able to do the service.
तन्मयता शब्द कहते हैं कि उसी वो तुम्हारा नहीं मेरा है.
This is not yours, this is mine. When we think like that and we observe ourselves in that leelas also,
माँ अपने पुत्र
so it is seen in this world, so the mother who is serving in this world their child, so they have so much affections,
ये
with
उनकी
so
कष्ट
much
नहीं है,
affections,
अपने कष्ट
so
की
they
समझ.
feels that it is not the sorrow or pain of that child, it is my pain.
और फिर दूसरी
And
बात
then
जैसे
the second example is giving
परम करुणामय जो व्यक्ति है
the param karumai, the friend is who one is so much kind-hearted person.
देखते हैं ये
What this
तुम्हारे कष्ट
what this
नहीं है,
it is not
अपना
your
कष्ट
sorrow, it is my
है.
sorrow.
तो यहाँ पर कहते हैं यदि अपना कष्ट अपने कष्ट को निवारण करे.
So if they think so the question arises here, if it is your sorrow, that it's your, so you have to
उनकी कष्ट की
solution, what we say, you have to sort out it. If it is your sorrow, so no, if somebody is happy, then I happy in this way. They are thinking like that.
इसलिए अपने कष्ट के कष्ट नहीं मान करके दूसरे की कष्ट के है अपना कष्ट मान कर.
So thinking the other's pain is my pain, so then at that time their heart got melted.
सभी वंचित तार सु मोरे यदि दिया दुख तार होय महासुख সেই দুঃখ মোর সুখ বর্জ্য. चैतन्य चरितामृत
In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is
जब राधा
described
जी कार्य
the Radhaji saying
मुझे
herself,
यदि दिया दुख
if you have given you have suffered means,
यदि कृष्ण मुझे दुख दे
if
करके
Krishna give me pain,
है, यदि उनके सुख अनुभव हो रहा है
if he is feeling
तो
happy,
मेरा दुख को मैं दुख
so
रूप में नहीं
I don't see my pain as a pain.
है मरे यदि दिया दुख तार है मां से दुख मोर सुख बनी
So this
और कोई
pain
दुख
is
जो
so
है
much
वो मेरे
pleasure
लिए
to me.
सुख के ही है कारण व श्रेष्ठता
So it is greater than that pleasure to me. If Krishna is giving me pain, it is greater than the pleasure to me.
महतम करदुबा यथा तथवा विदधातु लंपटु मत प्राणनाथस्तु सो एव न परः शिक्षा से 29 श्लोक है
So this is the 8th shloka of Shishta Ashtak, the last shloka.
मुझे आलिंगन करे
Krishna hug
और
me
पादरतन मुझे पैर के द्वारा रेंज दे
or rubbed me by his feet, rubbed me by his feet.
करदुबा यह तो कि मुझे और
Even
दर्शन जनित हृदय में जो दुख उत्पन्न होता उससे भी मैं दुखे नहीं
even if I'm not taking the darshan of Govind, so I feel so much separation. Accept these things also.
वह जो छल कपट व परस्त्री के प्रति आसक्ति रखने वाले
So he is doing the cheating propensity and having an affair, having the affair with others ladies. So this Krishna is my Prananath. Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami in the Chaitanya Charitamrita,
इसी संदर्भ में
in this context, he is describing like,
जे सखरे ना पाइया कृष्ण होन दुखी हुई जे जो कृष्ण हो जिस सखियों की प्राप्त नहीं करके
the Krishna who was not,
दुखी होता है माने जिस सखी के साथ जिस गोपी के साथ कृष्ण मिलने के लिए आतुर हो जाता है
so Krishna was so eager.
अत्यंत उत्कंठित
So Krishna is eager, too much eager to that gopis. So in that way, so Krishna is thinking that how can I meet that gopi?
और मैं क्या करूं कृष्ण सुख के लिए
For the pleasures of Krishna, I will go to that Sakhi. So Krishna milne ke liye utkanthit hai. So I will go to that the Sakhi for to whom Krishna would like to meet. So I will tell to that Sakhi, hey Sakhi, do one thing. You go to Krishna and meet him. He said, no, I have so much works at my home. So what I will do? I will do all your household activities. I will do. You just go to meet Krishna. So whatever the works you have at your home, so I will wash your dishes. I will sweep your house. So if she says that I am the washing the dishes, pocha, so I have to clean my floor. So I have to do many activities so that Sakhi. So Radha is saying is that I will do all the activities at your home. You just go to meet Krishna. Means I will be your maid servant and work accordingly. So this is the topmost Bhav Madhurta here. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is described like that. How beautiful the Bhav is describing there. This is called the topmost love. So this prem is manifested in the heart of Radharani only. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the Shishtastak 8th shlok, the last shlok, so he is describing the topmost prem madhurya of Radhaji. So he is Lampat, who is having affair with. So who is Lampat? Lampat who is having affairs to other streets, like he is Lampat. And even before me, if he is doing like this, still I can't tolerate all these things. Is it possible to in this world any lady that she can tolerate these things?
के लिए
that
संभव नहीं
it is not possible for any
कि
ladies
पति
that if
यदि
her husband
है
is having
दूसरे
external
स्त्रियों
affair
के
with another
साथ
lady,
ऐसे प्रेम विहार आदि करे
if they treat
है
like this,
तो उनके लिए
so they cannot tolerate.
सहन करना किसी
It
को
is really hard to
संभव
tolerate them.
नहीं है कौन स्त्री इस संसार में इसको अनुमोदन कर लेगा मान लेगा
Which kind of lady can tolerate all these things? It's not possible for them.
शास्त्र में
But
ये
in the
बात लिखा है
who is having affairs with another ladies before
लंपट
the
को होने
wife,
पर भी
so being
वो
that
मेरा
kind of lampart,
प्राणनाथ
he is my prannath.
प्रेम की ऐसी
So this is the stages of prem
शास्त्र की जो है
in the Shishtashtak. It is showed in
ये
this
समझते हुए
last
भाव
shloka.
बहुत सुंदर
So all
लिखा
kinds
है
of feelings of bhava described there very nicely. So I told you this katha,
कहते हैं क्या
which is called
साधारणीकरण
Sadharanikaran.
ये साधारणीकरण कौन करता है
Who does this Sadharanikaran?
साधक जो करता है
Who are the sadhak?
नित्य सिद्ध भाव नित्य सिद्ध परिकरों की जो
So
भाव
under
मानते साधक रूप में
So in that eternal associates of Bhagwan, they have spontaneous sadhananikaran. But while performing the sadhan, when sadhak take the shelter of Nitya Siddha Parikar, so he realize gradually all these kinds of bhav.
सिद्ध स्वरूप के अनुभव करके है नित्य सिद्ध गोपियों की अनुगत्य में सेवा में तन्मय हो जाती है
So when they observe himself in the eternal associates,
अहम ग्रुपसना ना आ जाए क्या बोला अहम ग्रुपसना क्या है
we should focus on one thing here, that I am the Lalita,
मैं जसोदा
I am the Yashoda.
हूँ ऐसे भावना करके जो
We shouldn't like this. We never think like, or they having this kinds of feeling, or they perform the bhajan in this way, so which is not good. We have to think like that. We are the
ललिता नहीं हूँ
I am not the Lalita, I am the servant of the Lalita.
मैं ललिता देवी के अनुगत्य में
So under the guidance of Lalita Devi, I am serving the Radha Govind. So we should have, or the sadhak must have, this kinds of feelings or thoughts,
क्योंकि भक्ति राज में दो वस्तु
because in the Bhakti Raja there are two things.
एक होता है
One is
संभोग इच्छा में
Sambhog
और
Ichchami,
एक होता है
Tat Bhavichchami. Sambhog Ichchami, Tat Bhavichchami. Lalita, Vishakha and other Sakis, these all are Sambhog Ichchami means.
कभी कभी स्वतंत्र रूप
So they can independently meet with Krishna.
मिलन
They can independently meet with Krishna. So that's why Sambhog and Tat Bhavichchami Manjaris.
गोपियां जो
So Tat Bhavichchami is, so
है कृष्ण
they
के साथ
cannot
भी
independently cannot meet with Krishna.
है कृष्ण अथवा श्रीमती राधिका
Krishna and
अनेक
Radhika,
प्रकार की प्रलोभन वाक्यों के द्वारा
so by the so much greedy words, they are
कृष्ण
attracting,
के साथ मिलन की प्रयास करते
they are trying to make them with Krishna, meet them with Krishna. Just like
हैं। श्लोक आ रहे हैं
there is a shlok is quoting here.
एक समय श्रीमती
Once
राधिका
Srimati Radhika, she was saying to Krishna, "Hey Krishna, look,
आज प्रातःकाल में
in the
मेरा
morning,
एक सखी जो है इस
one of my friend will come to this garden for
बच्चों
plucking flowers.
उस विचार है कि आड़ में जन छोड़
So you have to hide yourself in that garden."
स्वयं राधा जी प्लान
So Radha ji is making a plan for meeting Krishna, that Sakhi.
आ जाए और उसी के अनुसार
So according to that,
है कृष्ण उस बगीचा में जाकर
Krishna went to
एक
that
स्थान पर
garden
छुप करके बैठे
and he hid himself in the one garden there,
और
one
राधा
side
जी
in
के
the garden.
आदेश के अनुसार
And according to the Radha
कोई
ji's
सखी क्या है
instruction, that
उसी स्थान पर
Sakhi,
फूल चुन
she is going to pluck the flower at
इतने
that place.
समय
At that
कृष्ण
time,
क्या करे
what Krishna is doing?
कृष्ण करे
Krishna is saying,
है ये सखी देखो
"Hey Sakhi,
ये
look,
निर्जन स्थान है
this is the isolated place.
मेरे साथ मिलने के लिए ललिता आदि सखियां जो
So for meeting me, Lalita and other Sakhis, they are so much agonized
हैं क्योंकि संभोग इच्छा में
because they are the Lalita Vishakha, they are the Sambhuvikshami. So they are so much excited to meet with me.
ऐसी जो है
So you have got a
जो कि तुम
beautiful opportunity. You have got the opportunity. So please do not waste it.
मेरे साथ मिलो
Meet with me."
है। ऐसे अनेकों कृष्ण जो है उस गोपियों को जो है
So Krishna was saying this kinds of many words,
किंतु
but
सभी
that
इस
Sakhi,
प्रकार कृष्ण के प्रलोभन वाक्य से
she was not attracted. She was not attracted by these words of Krishna. Even Krishna, what he does,
सखी को पकड़ने के लिए
so
प्रयास
for,
करते
Krishna was trying to hold that Sakhi.
जब प्रकाश प्रयास करते हैं
When he was trying these kinds of things, then
वह सखी क्या
that
करती है
Sakhi is saying, "Hey Radhe."
राधा जी के नाम
She was calling the name of Radha.
ये राधे
Hey Radhe,
ये काले से हमें
please save us with this black boy.
ये कृष्ण सर्प से
Krishna,
हमें
please save us this Krishna's snake.
कहीं का कृष्ण सर्प मुझे
Krishna's snake. Maybe the Krishna sarp cannot, snake cannot bite me.
वो सखी
So in this way, that Sakhi
रोते हुए
crying.
राधा जी की पुकारती
So she is calling Radhaji by crying,
ऐसी
crying.
अवस्था को
At
देख
that
करके
stage, seeing that stage,
राधा जी कृष्ण को इंगित करके कहते हैं,
Radhaji is indicating to Krishna, "Hey Krishna,
उस सखी के कुछ छेड़खानी
don't don't tease that Sakhi."
है तब वो सखी
So at that Sakhi,
है कृष्ण के चंगुल से
so by the bondage of Krishna,
अटैक करी थी ना
so by the bondage of Krishna, she got free.
आकर के
And coming out from that, she came to Radhaji.
और राधा जी क्या करते हैं
And what Radhaji does,
उसको देख करके
seeing her,
मंद मुस्कान
she was smiling very nicely, smiling that
है
time.
और उसको देख करके वो सखी भी कहती है
And seeing that
जो सखी कृष्ण के चंगुल से बाहर आए
that Sakhi is saying to Radhe, "Hey Radhe,
आप हंस रही हो?
why are you laughing?"
हैं? मैं कृष्ण के चंगुल से
So I have
छुटकारा पाने के लिए मैं रो रही हूँ
I have come out, and after coming out the bondage of Krishna, I am crying, and why you are laughing? Very nicely described this shloka in the shloka.
तुम क्यों हंस रही हो?
Why are you laughing? Why are you smiling?
एक व्यक्ति रो रही है
One is crying and another is laughing.
दूसरी व्यक्ति उसको देख करके क्या हो रहा है
One is crying and another person is laughing, seeing them and getting pleasure by seeing them crying. So this Sakhi is saying like this, "Hey Radhe, so I have came out from the bondage of the Krishna, and seeing me crying, you are laughing."
खाने के लिए हैं? मैं रो रहा था मैंने कृष्ण रूपी सर्प मुझे डसने के लिए हैं?
So
क्या
the
कहते हैं?
Krishna serpent is Krishna
मैं उससे भयभीत हूँ
snake is coming to bite me. I was so much afraid with him, so that's why I was trying to came out from his bondage. And when I came to you, you can save me, and you are not saving me.
नहीं देखा ना ये राधा जी कृष्ण के इंगित के द्वारा ये सोच रही है
Because that Sakhi didn't see that Radhaji indicated that Krishna.
समझ में
But so what is my mean to say that?
अब तुम हंस
So you are not saving me. And when I came out from the bondage of that Krishna,
भाग रही हूँ
and I was walking here and there, and you
सर्प से
cannot,
करके और तुम क्या कर रही हो हंस रही हो
and you are not saving me, and still you are laughing.
हैं?
What is that?
देखो कितना सुंदर भाव
So how beautiful Bhav is describing here.
क्यों हंस
Why are you laughing?
तो उस समय राधा
At that time Radhaji is saying,
ये सखी
"Hey Sakhi,
एक्चुअल माइंड तुम्हारे भाव माधुर्य जी करना है
so I am seeing your feelings, your Bhav,
हृदय में मेरे प्रति कितना
That-
प्रगाढ़
how much deep faith you have, affection you have towards me, that what I was saying in you.
इसलिए मैं मंद मुस्कान
That's why I am smiling a little
मैं
bit.
मुस्कान नहीं, मेरे हंस रही इसलिए थे कि तुम हमारे प्रति प्रगाढ़
Because why I was laughing? Because you have so much pragad nishta, the deep affection, the deep faith towards me. That is called the tat tat bhavichami.
इसी करके जिसको एक शब्द पता है
This one.
राधा का निष्ठा
So in one word it is saying Radha Ekanishta, Radha Nishtha.
आज में राधा जी तुम्हें स्वीकार करेगी
Radha ji can accept
अच्छी
you
तरह से परख करके परख
when
समझ
she will test you.
टेस्ट करे ऐसे नहीं है
No,
मैं
no,
राधा
just,
दासी हूँ
so it's not like that I am the Radha Dasi.
यानी से खड़ी हो
It is not possible by saying.
है वहाँ पर भी परीक्षा देना
So
पड़ेगा
you have to give so many tests
है मंजरी भावों के जो
for attaining the Manjari Bhav or getting the Manjari Bhav.
मंजरियों की तात्पर्य क्या
So
है
what is the meaning of Manjari?
राधा जी के प्रति
So having so much one-pointed nishtha towards Radharani.
कृष्ण अपेक्षा जो संचारी भाव कृष्ण अपेक्षा राधा के भाव में अधिक दिखाई पड़ता है
So Krishna's more than Krishna, Radha's feelings is having there so much. So so much attraction or feelings towards Radharani. This is called Bhavullas Rati.
इस उदाहरण के दिखा रहा है
By this example, it is showed there.
कृष्ण की जो वाक्पटुता
Krishna's cleverness,
वाक्पटुता माने
presence of mind, presence of mind. It's so the presence of mind of Krishna, expert in his speaking, is not easy. It's not easy to come out the bondage of Krishna. It's not easy.
इस जगत में
In this world,
एक युवक युवती
when one boy and girl
वाक्पटुता में क्या होता है
attract, they can caught in each other's words.
वो लड़का हो लड़की हो
Maybe there is boy or girl.
उससे क्या है?
They can attracted or caught, and they suck
जैसे गन्ना
each
से
other, just like
रस निकाल करके जैसे
somebody taken all the rust from the sugar cane. So in this world, so the jadiya prem, the material love, material calm, what they do from each other, they can suck everything from each other. In this world, we have seen like this.
ये जड़ जगत नहीं होता
We have seen all the things in this material world.
एक लड़का लड़की को पटा ले
One boy
और पटा
one
करके
boy
उसके सारे पैसे को
attracted to the one lady, and they catch all the money of that lady, and that ladki can make a friend of a boy, and they steal all, catch all the money. They can snatch all the money,
ले ले और फिर उसको
and then they leave them.
इस जड़ जगत में जो जड़ प्रेम जो काम से चंगुल से निकालना
So we have seen in this material world, it is really hard to escape yourself in this kind of bondage. So how hard to get out from the rid of Krishna's bondage, because Krishna has so much beautifully Bhag Bhagdata, means he is so much expert to speak. So this kinds of
मतलब धीर ललित कृष्ण में
this what kind of these qualities only must have by Krishna, Dhir Lalit Nayak Krishna.
और कोई अवतार आदि
It is not possible by the Ram and the other incarnation. It is not possible. The Bhakpatuda's expertise to speak. It is only
नायक कृष्ण में
stable or establish, or what we say. It is only in Krishna. Krishna is Dhir Lalit Nayak. Priyasi Vashibhuta. He can attract the. There are four kinds of qualities in the Dhir Lalit Nayak. Priyasi Navayovajano. Priyasi Vashibhuta. Nischintata. Bhakpata. Note down.
ये समस्त लक्षण रहता है रामचंद्र में ऐसे
It is not possible by the Ramchandra.
है रामचंद्र बहुत सीधे
Ramchandra is very simple. He is very simple.
किंतु
When
कृष्ण
Krishna is very teddy. Oh my God.
है
He is very
कोई एक बार
somebody caught in his bondage, so it is really hard to come out. How can come out? Only this Sakhi, which is called Manjari.
तब तो राधा जी स्वीकार करते
Then Radhaji will accept.
हम जिसको कहते हैं मंजरी बनना चाहते
So we used to say that I would like to be Manjari. Manjari, it's not possible.
हैं
It's really hard.
इसी के कहा जाता है
This is called
साधारणीकरण
Sadharanikaran.
इस कथा को हम
So the katha we were describing, this is called the Sadharanikaran.
इस वक्त में साधक गोपियों की भावों का साधारणीकरण करता है और अपने को एक किशोरी समझकर
So
नित्य सिद्धों
in
को
that stage, a sadhak says that I am under the shelter of that nitya and eternal associates like gopis. So and they observe their mind in the same mood and serve, having the serving tendency in this way. So now the time is over.
फिर नाम के प्रस्फुटित होने पर
So when the naam,
स्वाभाविक से
are you getting me?
है मुक्तदारी भावोदय होते हैं श्रीमद् भागवत में स्वयं उद्धव जी है विदुर जी से कहते हैं विदुर जी से स्वयं उद्धव जी कहा गए
So Uddhav ji is saying to Vidur ji,
सजोग माया बलम दर्शयता गृहीतम विस्मापनं ससज भगवान जी परम पदम भूषणम भूषणा
Bhushanam Bhushanangam. Do you remember the shlok? Speak. Speak.
मातलिलोकपियं
Mayavanam.
सजोगमायावरदर्शतगृहीतं स्मापनं स्वस्य सौभाग्यगर्धे परं पदं भूषणं
Bhushanangam. How beautiful shlok is this? Everybody has to learn this shloka. You know?
अच्छा है नहीं
Oh, very nice. Very nice shlok.
स्वयं उद्धव जी
So Uddhav himself saying to when he met to Uddhav,
कृष्ण की स्मरण करके
so he was remembering Krishna and feeling so much separation. In the third canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, Vidur, it is a conversation Uddhav or Vidur between Uddhav and Vidur.
मैत्री
Uddhav Maitri, there is a conversation like Uddhav Maitri, Uddhav Samvad.
विदुर जब
When Vidur,
उद्धव से जब मिले
when he met to Uddhav,
और विदुर कहने लगे
and Vidur was saying, "Hey Uddhav,
वो कृष्ण कहाँ
where is that Krishna?"
है क्योंकि उस समय तक कृष्ण
But at that time, that Krishna was disappeared.
द्वारका लीला के पश्चात
So after the Dwarka Leela, Krishna has disappeared
स्वधाम में चले गए
disappeared to his own abode.
दो लीला आदि प्रकट कर रहे हैं
So he has manifested two Leela there.
आज में
You know that,
जिसको कहा जाता है
which
क्या
is called Indrajalik.
है?
Indrajalik.
उसको क्या बोले
What is called? Mahishi Leela, Indra Leela. कौन सी लीला?
महिषी हरण लीला
Mahishri Haran Leela,
और ये जो
Indrajalik.
द्वारका में जो लीला आदि हुई
The Leela which has happened in the
ये दोनों
Dwarika,
लीला को क्या कहता है माया विजृंभित लीला
Maya Vijravint Leela. Vijravint.
माया विजृंभित लीला माने इसके यथार्थ तो नहीं
It is not in the transcendental word.
ये लोगों के जो है
So this is
भ्रमित करने
for confusing the people.
हैं?
This Leela was happened for the confusion. Mahishi Haran Leela and
और ये द्वारका में वो समस्त द्वारकावासी जो है यादव लोग जो है
when the Yadav fought each other and they killed themselves each other,
मुसल लीला
which is called the Musal Leela.
इसको कहा जाता है
Musal Leela.
मुसल लीला
Musal Leela. Musal Leela and
आज मुसल लीला और
Mahishi Leela. Mahishi Haran Leela. Note down.
हैं? ये दोनों लीला जो है इसको कहा जाए वास्तवता नहीं
Musal Leela, Mahishi Haran Leela.
है
So which is not related to the in fact. This is Indrajalik Leela.
हैं?
Indrajalik.
इंद्रजालिक लीला
This is called the Indrajalik Leela,
इंद्रजालिक समझते कि नहीं
which is only just illusion.
क्रिएशन
Illusion.
illusion
This is called the illusion Leela. It is not actually Leelas. It is just creating the confusion. Gurudev was given an example.
एक राजा की सभा में
So at the court of Raja, the king, there was a Madari came who used to show the plays. So when that Madari was showing the play very nicely there, so seeing that at that court, everybody was so much astonished because he can caught the eyes of everybody there. So he was showing many kinds of plays like magician, which is called the magician. So seeing that at the court of Raja, of the king, everybody was shocked and everybody was clapping there. Oh, we have never seen this play like ever in our life. So at that court, what happened? So what Maharani did, so she have given her gold necklace to that Madari who was showing the play there, or magician we can say. So what that Madari or magician did, before accepting that, their two childs came there, and that two childs was saying, I need this. They were saying like, I need this necklace, and the child was snatching each necklace, and that necklace was broken. And what both of kids did, they take out their sword
चलाया
and
एक दूसरे के गर्दन
they for the with that sword they have cutted each other's neck. So seeing that,
वो मादारी की जो पत्नी जो है
so seeing that the wife of that Madari, there was just for the necklace, my two sons has died. So what she did with the she raised that same sword and she cutted her head too.
और फिर मादारी
And then Madari said that my two sons, my wife has died just because of that necklace, so my life is gone waste. So what she did, he raised the sword and he cut his head too. In this way, seeing that court, all there are 4 dead bodies were there. The blood was flowing there. Everybody was watching that scene. Within a second it happened. Everything has happened within a second. Just like the storm comes, it does not take too much time. You are standing, you are sitting here, and a storm or the earthquake comes. So within a second you will die. So everybody was saying very shockingly. No one was saying anything. So when he cut his head, so he was saying like that, but after that he had disappeared. It is that if somebody is cutting each other's neck or head, so someone will go and help him, but nobody was not doing anything. Within a second, within a few time, it happens. 4 dead bodies were there, was on the ground, and the blood was flowing. Seeing that, what happened? Everybody was shocked there in that court. So this is called Vivatsa Leela. This is called the Vivatsa Leela. Everybody was shocked. How it is possible? In a few time it happened. So Maharaja, the king, was so much unhappy, and the queen was also too much unhappy. And Rani was so much unhappy because she has. So Rani was thinking herself that I am the cause of the death of these 4 peoples. If I wouldn't offer that necklace to them, so they 4 cannot die. It couldn't die. So Raja, the king, was so much unhappy or disturbed. So all the people who were staying at the court, they were so unhappy. They were so much shocked. So after that, what happened? So they have collected all 4 bodies and they made them funeral. It is very shocked. They collected the 4 dead bodies and they give them into the fire, not buried them. They fired them. They give the fire. So what next? Then funeral ceremony बोलते हैं ना, funeral Uthavani, whatever you say, Uthavani or funeral ceremony. So Shok Sabha also it is said, but in English we also use funeral ceremony. So the king called everybody in that funeral ceremony for glorified them. It has happened in the it happens in the funeral ceremony. They describe the person dead bodies. So that court was full of the people. The king himself, the king and queen themselves, they presented in the court, and the Raja himself, the king himself, he was going to speak something in that court. So before the king, the queen was going to say something. She was apologizing. She was apologizing because I am the cause of all these things. Because whatever happened here, I am the cause of that. So she was going to say this. What is a? At the meantime, what happened? That a postman came, and postman gave them a letter and said, "O king, in your court." So before your assembly, your court is going to start, please read this letter. So it is, look what is going to. Rani was going to scream, the queen was going to speak. So what happened? At the time, the postman came and he gave the letter to the king, and hey Maharaj, hey king, hey queen, so before starting this assembly or the court, you should read this letter. And you should read this letter before everybody.
राजा रानी उसके
So the king and queen was started to read that letter, and what was written there? Hey Maharaj, hey king, hey queen.
कल आप लोग के निकट मैंने जो
Yesterday
खेल दिखाया
I showed a drama before
ये
you.
वास्तव रूप में आप लोग हृदय में
So after that you was feeling so much sorrow in your heart. You are so much feeling pain in your
और
heart.
उस के लिए मैं भी आप लोग के निकट
And for that
क्या बोलते हैं
apologize.
क्षमा
I asked for the apologizing before
और
you.
उस समय उस दिन जो मैंने आपको खेल दिखाया
So whatever
था
the plate I show you at your
आप
court,
लोगों ने जो कुछ दिया
and whatever you have given to me,
वो पुरस्कार बहुत सुंदर
so that present was very nice,
आज
but
जो हम खेल दिखाने के लिए
but
आ रहे हैं
the drama I'm going to show you.
कौन सा पुरस्कार
So
दे रहे हैं
what kinds of present you will offer me? So please tell me.
ऐसे कह करके बस
So
पढ़ाई से समाप्त
so
हुई
when they
और
read that,
साथ ही साथ
what
वो
happened?
मादारी
That
उनकी
Madari,
पत्नी
that
और
her
दो
wife and the
पुत्र
two sons came at that court before that queen and king. Everyone was shocked to see them.
अच्छा ये कैसे
So how it is possible?
सब लोग देख करके आश्चर्य
Everybody
हो
was
गए।
shocked to see that how it is possible that they have come here. They were
चारों की
died.
तो मृत्यु नहीं है, केवल चारों के सबके भी ऐसा
They were just not died. They made the funeral them. They
इसी के कहा जाता
So this
है
is called
क्या होता है?
Indrajalik.
इंद्रजालिक का
This is called the Indrajalik Leela.
है।
Indrajalik Leela. Note down.
इंद्रजालिक लीला का है। ये वास्तव नहीं था।
It is not factual. Actually, it is not fact.
ये केवल कुछ मंत्र
It was just by the some mantra tantras.
किसकी आंखों पर एक वरदान
So they have attracted and caught the eyes of some. Everybody is there. They have put it the curtains on everybody's eyes. So this is called Indrajalik Leela. It is very shockingly.
उसी प्रकार जो है
So in the same way, in the Shrimad Bhagavatam, two Leelas are called Indrajalik Leela. One is Musa Leela and second is Mahishi Haran Leela.
महिषी हरण और दूसरी
Musa Leela.
इंद्रजालिक लीला।
So this is called the Indrajalik Leela, the illusion Leela.
बोले ये कैसे होगा?
How it is possible?
अरे स्वयं भगवान है।
Are he is Bhagwan himself. We have seen in the material world that Madari and her wives can do it. So he is Bhagwan. What can he cannot do by his Maya? He can do everything. He is Bhagwan himself. That's why what is doubt in that? Nothing. No, you shouldn't doubt.
महिषियों के थोड़ी हरण कर पाएंगे जैसे दिखाया ना महिषी हरण लीला जानते
So you know the Mahishiran Leela? The
अर्जुन
kidnapping of the Mahishinias when Arjun
महिषी के लेकर के जब आ रहे
he was coming to carrying
हैं
Mahishini
द्वारकापुरी से
from the Dwarikapuri.
और बीच में
At the time,
एक वो क्या बोले
what happened?
प्रभास प्रभास तो सब क्षेत्र में तो भगवान चले गए
अरे वो
द्वारकापुरी से
जंगली people जो मिलते हैं ना,
जब लाने लगे हस्तिनापुर के तरफ लाने।
when he was coming to Hastinapur,
उस समय
at the time,
कुछ वो लठियाल जो होते हैं
अरे वो उनको क्या
आहिर लोग
some Ahir
वो
people
आहिर
came
लोग
there. That Ahir
कृष्ण
people,
के अर्जुन के जो है आक्रमण करने
they were attacking to
उस समय अर्जुन के डंडी पे काम नहीं किया
बहेलिया बोलते हैं ना उनको, बहेलिया
आहिर
Ahir.
आहिर
Ahir. So that Ahir people, Bhil,
जंगली लोग
हाँ भील बोलते हैं ना, भील, भील लूपी गोपी वही अर्जुन वही वहाँ कहते हैं ना.
कृष्ण डंडी के द्वारा
So the Krishna Arjun who has done by his arrow,
सबके परास्त
by the bow, he has defeated everybody there. Arjun.
है
So what happened? Did Ahir peoples,
महिषियों के
they have snatched, they have kidnapped the Mahishiyas before the Arjun.
तो वो कौन था
So who was that?
वो स्वयं कृष्ण ही एक स्वरूप में
So they Krishna in another form,
आहिर के
he got the form of Ahir
है
and kidnapped all the Mahishiyas. Who was the Mahishiyas? Mahishiyas was the expansion of
ये तो कृष्ण के नित्य प्रभु तो
the Nitya associate of Mahishiyas has gone away. So these all Mahishiyas was the shadow of that Mahishiyas.
वास्तव जो महिषी
Actually, the actual Mahishiyas has gone already to their abode.
के लीला की कहा जाता
So,
है इंद्रजालिक
so
लीला।
this is called Indrajalik Leela because these all were the illusion there.
और जो मूसल लीला की कथा आप लोग
And
जानते
you have heard the story of Musa Leela when in the Dwarkapuri,
हैं, कृष्ण जब विराजमान
when
थे
Krishna was still
और उस समय समस्त ऋषि
present there. So at that time, all the Rishis people came to
नारद जी से
take the
सहयोग
darshan of
मैं दक्ष प्रजापति के द्वारा
So Narashi says himself, being a Daksha Prajapati, Narashi saying, so being a son of, by the cause of Daksha Prajapati, I cannot stay at one place. So I can stay only few moments somewhere, just like somebody is taking milk from the cow at that time. Because Narashi made the Daksha 10,000 sons saintly, sadhu.
तुम ऐसे कर दिया,
What?
आज से तुम अधिक समय तक नहीं ठहरोगे।
Nada Rishi made the Daksha Prajapati 10,000 sons sadhu.
गोधन काल तक नहीं।
You have heard this story or not?
अच्छा ही सर्वत्र भ्रमण करेंगे।
Because Nada Rishi was cursed by the Brahma Shap. He has got.
तो नारद ऋषि सर्वत्र भ्रमण करते
So Nada Rishi was wandering everywhere.
भाई कब तक तुम्हें माने ये करोगे परिभ्रमण
How long he can visit it here and there. So one day the lockdown will come. How long you will stay one day? How long you will visit it here and there? One day the lockdown will come. So you cannot go anywhere. So you have to sit. So the place of Nararishi lockdown place is Dwarika. So that's why it is described in the Srimad Bhagavatam that the Dwarikapuri is the place where this Bhagwan Krishna,
भुजाओं के द्वारा वो सुरक्षित था।
it was covered by the arms of Krishna. It was, there is a shloka, Bhujadanda. I have forgotten the shloka. So what's my mean to say? So that the Dwarkapuri is covered or saved by the arms of Krishna.
उसमें ब्रह्म ब्रह्म साप तक वहीं पर प्रवेश
Even the curse of Brahma cannot came there, enter into that Dwarika.
किंतु नारद ऋषि
Because Naradishi was cursed, but when he came to Dwarikapuri, so he can stay there for 2-3 months.
वहीं पर ब्रह्म साप
Because there was Brahm Shap cannot enter there in Dwarkapuri.
उसमें ये
So this is all. This was Leela was showing there. So Narada and Santa Mahatma, they were visiting here and there. They used to go to Dwarkamari and stay there. And they take rest there because they are taking the darshan of Govind there. So this is a beautiful place, the pious place of Bhagwan. That's why Santa Mahatma, the saintly person, used to go there. They used to take place there. They used to discuss the Katha of Bhagwan. So that's why the Dwarkapuri is an incredible place. So the importance of Dwarka is not less.
क्या बोला वैकुंठा जनितो वरा वरमदपुरी तत्रापि ये तो उपदेशामृत ये श्लोक नहीं है वैकुंठा जनितो वरा दरवत्त जत्र किलति प्रभु सुदूर आत्मजा
जय हो.
ये रघुनाथ दास जी
So this is written by the Raghunath Goswami, this shloka.
वैकुंठ से भी श्रेष्ठ क्या है
So Vaikuntha, the Dwarkapuri is greater than the Vaikuntha, where the Krishna,
प्राकृत मनुष्य के भांति
he is just behaving like a grasta person. He is just like a material, behaving like a material person there.
तुम लोग क्या किया कोई जिसका ये द्वारकापुरी में दिखा दिया
So it is sure the Leela in the Dwarkapuri. He is performing a common grasta there. He is performing a Leela like a common grasta, general grasta,
जहाँ पर स्वयं कृष्ण
where the Krishna,
महिषी महिष वृंदई पट्ट महिषा वृंदई
very nice,
जहाँ पर अपने पट्ट महिषियों के साथ कृष्ण विराजमान
where Krishna was situated there with all the Mahishinas, and
विराजमान
he was staying there with Valudeva Prabhu also,
जहाँ पर स्वयं कृष्ण
where Krishna himself
अपने पत्नी अथवा महिषियों के
and with their wife and the Mahishis, to give them pleasure, they are playing Ludo, Pasa. They used to chopper, Ludo, Pasa, whatever they were playing for giving the pleasure to that. Chaucer. कितने नाम हो गए? There was one play and there are 4 names. So that's why it is saying many mouths, many. So he was behaving in a general way to their sons, with their wives, with the Mahishas, and Baldev Prabhu also. Behaving like a common person, common man. It is not in the background. You cannot understand. You cannot listen that Narayan is playing Chausa or Ludo with Lakshmi. You have not heard this.
सुना है?
Have you heard this? The Narayan is playing Ludo with the Lakshmi. Oh, Lakshmi, come. We will play Ludo.
आनंद से हैं? इसलिए वैकुंठ जनित बराबर का दत्त ऐसे गोविंद की अनेक
So there are many kinds of leelas of Govind because the sun is coming here. Sunshine is coming now, so we have to.
द्वारकापुरी के लीला जो है ये भौम लीला के साथ
So Dwarkapuri's leela is related to the Bhaum leela,
ऐसे स्त्री पुत्र परिवार
just like the common peoples treat each other in the families in the same way Krishna was treating all these peoples in the same way.
अयोध्यापुरी में भी ऐसे
Even it is not possible in the Ayodhyapuri.
हैं थोड़ा बहुत
Little bit Ramchand is
हंसी मजाक हुआ सीता जी वो भी नहीं
Sita was laughing, joking a little way, but very assured, opulence feeling, because Ramchandra was carrying Maryada himself,
मैं
dignity.
भी नहीं सुना कि रामचंद्र
I have never heard that Ramchandra was playing Ludo or Chaucer with Sita ji
ऐसा मर्यादा लेकर पीछा
because he was taking Maryada. He was carrying Maryada.
इधर उधर है ना
He there a little bit Maryada goes here and there, so everything will be gone away. Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan, they were being a brother of Ramchand. He was paying obeisance to them. They have the Aishwarya Bhav, Prabhu Bhav towards them.
रामचंद्र
Have you seen when Ramchandra was sleeping?
है कैसे
Who will
थोड़ा हाथ में
who will wake up?
उठे सब डर गए
You have seen that when Ramchandra was sleeping. So who will wake up Ramchand? So no one was so much have courage to wake him up. So that's why they were praying like folding hand. Have you heard this story?
जब लव कुश
When Love Kush,
उस घोड़े के जब बंद
who Ashwamedh,
अश्व
Ashw, when he was performing Ashwamedh Yagya, so they have caught the horse
है
and they have defeated them. So when they got the news, Ramchandra got the news that Bharat and Lakshman was thinking that now we have to wake up the Ramchandra now because everybody has been defeated by the Love Kush. So Lakshman and Bharat himself goes to Ramchand, and Ramchand was sleeping that time. He was in a deep sleeping. He was in a sleeping mode that time. And Ramchand wake up, and when Ramchand wake up, they shocked. They said, "What happened?" Oh, bhaiya, actually,
दोनों बालक ने क्या की
what the two balak, the two kids, Love and Kush, they have caught our horse. Balak, the small kids, they have caught our horse. How is it possible?
वहीं पर रामचंद्र सबसे बड़ा एक गंभीर
So Ramchandra was so much grave at that time. He was not so much laughing and joking, doing so much laughing and joking. Maybe a little bit he can do sometimes, but not all the time. But look, Krishna in the Dwarkapuli, how beautiful Leela he was presenting there. So this is called. अच्छा चलो भाई, टाइम हो गया. याद करके रहा है, पूरी रात याद कर रहा है उन्होंने, पूरी रात याद कर रहा है, तब भी भूल गए, अभी भी तब भी भूल गए. केसर
ये जो आप महाराज को मुसल लीला में बता रहे थे ना,
हाँ ये पूरा ये मुसल लीला है इसलिए अभी तो प्रारंभ मैंने द्वारका के बारे में
I was telling you the Dwarika glorification of Dwarika.
जो है ऋषि महात्मा जब एकत्रित होते एक दिन वो क्या बोले
दुर्वासा
वो उसके जो
शाम
शामक है
Sama, हाँ क्या?
जाम्बवती के पुत्र
Jampatri putra Sama. So they made okay, they will tell you tomorrow. Hari Bol, very nice. Okay, Puri Leela. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Shila Gurudev ki jai.